So hello there guys. Welcome back to another video. And in this video we are going to be learning about this music, play instrument and drums. Now these you can play some type of instruments. Now since I'm using a lavalier mic which doesn't hear anything, so that's why I just act like that, but it's okay. At least you can hear it. So let's maybe do it and play a note. Then let's play this note. Yeah, it plays sound. So let's maybe change to C72. Yeah, it changes. You can play the drum, snare drum. Let's change it to maybe open hi-hat. So now let's, yeah, it makes some music. And now let's just play side stick for 29 beats. Okay, why my fan is going too fast. Okay, now let's change tempo by 20 and set tempo. Then after let's play this and let's change it to electric piano. And then let's set the tempo to 60. Okay. So over here, I'm not in a sprite, I'm in a backdrop. So let's maybe draw a circle. And over here, let's just put the code here. Now I got it. Okay, let's say okay. And so this is a short video, but even though I'm still counting as a Scratch tutorial because it teaches you like slowly and steadily, like the beats type. So hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash the like button and see you guys next time. Goodbye.